Vivo's first half of 2025 for the Chinese market will see the arrival of the Vivo X200 Ultra and Vivo X200s. The brand is also said to be working on the Vivo X Fold 4 foldable phone, which may launch around mid-2025. The last quarter of this year is expected to see the arrival of the X300 lineup. A new leak by well-known tipster Digital Chat Station reveals that the product strategy for the X300 lineup may include 4 models: the Vivo X300, X300 Pro Mini, X300 Pro, and X300 Ultra. The lower-end models, likely the Vivo X300 and X300 Pro Mini, are tipped to feature flat displays, whereas the company may adopt larger quad-curved screens for the higher-end variants, the X300 Pro and X300 Ultra. The tipster also mentions that the 200-megapixel periscope camera with a large sensor. The X300 would not have a 6.7-inch screen like the X200 but would be a smaller model equipped with a 6.31-inch display like the X200 Pro Mini. All other models are likely to feature the next-generation Dimensity 9500 chip. As for the Ultra Edition, with the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chip. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.